dolls, it is she and welcome back to my channel. First things first, we got some housekeeping to take care of. In my last couple of videos, I told you guys that we are creeping up on 10,000 subscribers, and once we reach 10,000 subscribers, I will do a giveaway here on my channel. Well, I am happy to report that we have surpassed that. We're almost at 11,000 subscribers. I actually checked my channel last week and I was right at 10,000. A week later, we're almost already 1,000 plus after we already hit our 10,000 goal. So that is huge. So stay tuned for that giveaway. That's going to be in a video coming up very soon. But today's video is a update video on this gorgeous hair by Better Length Hair. This is the Kinky Coarse clip-ins that I did a review on about 4 to 5 weeks ago. I usually try to give all of my extensions about a good month to see how they perform before I come on with an update, because after that I'll pretty much know whether it's good or bad hair, and I can give you more detailed opinion and even recommendations. So this hair is absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love it. This video is going to be 2 parts. First, I'm going to be telling you about the hair and just a quick update, and then the second part is going to be various styles that I like to do with these clip-ins. I've been rocking them for about a month now. This was actually my birthday hair. My birthday just passed. Shout out to my Virgos. So this was my birthday hair, and I got so many compliments. I might insert a picture from my birthday look here, but I absolutely love the hair. It's held up really, really well. So far, I really don't have any real complaints about it. The pros of this hair, the hair is super, super thick. You only need 1 bundle of clip-ins for a full head. This is 1 bundle of clip-ins because Better Length Hair, they actually have a 10-piece clip-in set versus your typical or standard 7-piece clip-in set. And they also don't include any of those little 1-clip clip-ins. Usually I feel like that's a little throwaway. This set actually comes with 4 sets of the 2, 2 of the 3, 2 of the 4, and 2 of the 5. And then their 5 clip-ins are really, it's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair on the bed, that's all I can say. Most clip-ins, I find that they're short from ear to ear. Like, they don't go from ear to ear. You have to double it up. With their 5 clip-ins, they literally goes from ear to ear. So 1 set will do you just fine. That is one of the pros. His hair is full, honey. Like, you don't even need all the clip-ins to do a full look, especially if you don't like big hair. Me, I love big hair, so I go ahead and put it all in, throw it all in there, and then style it up later. Another pro is that the maintenance on this hair is actually pretty low. It doesn't tangle much. I've been wearing it for a month, and you can see it's still bouncy. I just washed it last night and it's still really soft, still really bouncy, very beautiful. I feel like this is going to be one of those sets of clip-ins that I'm going to literally be still rocking a year later, because just the natural kind of texture of it, it has a lot of room for forgiveness. So it's not supposed to be bone straight or sleek. It's supposed to kind of have that puff and that frizz and that natural look. So I think that it's very forgiving in that way. So that is a plus for me. If you're looking for sleek hair, this may be a con for you. It may not be a pro, because this hair is not sleek. Even when you straighten it, it does not get silky or very sleek, and I don't think that it's intended to. It's intended to be a kinky, coarse, natural textured hair, and it's just absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love it. I don't know if I could call this a con, or if it was more so I was just kind of surprised. When I washed the hair actually did not like curl up. I was expecting, you know, after I washed it, it was going to revert to some sort of natural texture, some sort of curly texture, but it actually didn't. It kind of stayed in its normal state. It got a few crinks in it, but it didn't curl up at all. So even after I air dried it, didn't puff up or get tangly or anything. It kind of just stayed in its natural state. I was expecting it to curl up. It didn't. So if you're looking for hair and you kind of want to be a little versatile and maybe wash it and wet and it curls up, this hair doesn't do that. It stays in its natural kinky state, which again is fine by me. I just was expecting it to curl up when you wash it, but hey, it did not. So you take that how you may. That may be a pro for you. It may be a con for you. I feel like it was easier on maintenance, because I thought I was going to have to really go in there after I washed it and really straighten it back out, but I didn't have to do that at all. It literally stayed in its exact state after I washed it, which was great. One con though, when I did wash the hair, there was some shedding. When I'm like wearing the hair and I'm styling the hair and I'm combing through the hair, like I styled this thing 3 different ways and there's barely anything that came out of the comb. So when you're wearing it and you're styling it and you're combing through it, it does not shed at all. But as soon as I washed it 2 times, and the 2 times that I've washed it, like, it pretty heavy shedding came. Like, it came out in like weird clumps. I don't know, it's like something about when you wet it, like clumps kind of came out of it. So it did shed a bit. strangely when I washed it, but again, as I'm wearing it and I'm detangling, I'm getting no shedding. So not sure what that's about. I don't know if, you know, the weft just doesn't like water and it kind of loosens stuff up, but I'm not sure. But there was some shedding to note when I did wash the hair. I don't want to make this video very lengthy, especially not the intro, but just long story short, I really love the hair. I would 100% recommend it. It's great for, again, those natural girls that kind of want that natural textured hair, and for those girls who don't mind volume, because this hair is voluminous, but I absolutely love it. I think that is so pretty. I have not tried to color it, so I'm not sure how well it takes color. I got it in its natural color, so it looks like it's about a 2. Well, between like a 2 and a 1B. It's a little lighter than a 1B, but not quite as light as a 2. And there's a gray strand right here. So, and I just left it be. I think that it adds to the look. It makes it look more natural. But I don't think that I will add color to this hair, just because I just don't. I don't feel the need to. I just kind of love rocking it exactly how it is. Yeah, those are my pros and slight cons. The only slight con that I have is that I did experience tangling when I did wash it and co-wash it. So I would just say be careful, be very gentle when you're washing it, and wash it in maybe cool water, because I did wash it in relatively hot or warm water, and then you shouldn't have any problems. But I 1000% recommend it. I mean, it's so pretty. I'm going to do a quick spin for you so you can see. And if you'd like to see the various different styles I like to do with this clip-in, I actually provided quite a few, then you know what to do. Stay tuned. Okay, so I washed the hair a couple of times, and this is what texture looks like after it's been washed. It's super soft, still very much so bouncy. Hair looks good, smells good, and let's get to installing. So in the back, I just have 4 flat twists. And then I left the front out so that we can style it in various different ways. So what I'm going to do is pin up just the tail of these twists with a bobby pin. And I went ahead and moisturized my hair with just some argan oil, some leave-in conditioner, and then this shea butter and coconut oil and vitamin E mixture that I made. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and start installing from the bottom up, and then when we get to the top, we're going to get into our different styles. So stay tuned.
you.